are going on an adventure today, and I'm so excited because we usually go places a lot, but since we've got our little doggy, we've been home more, and I've been busy and I haven't really had time to think about anything. And my husband booked us a little overnighter trip. We're going to a zoo, and our son and daughter-in-law have already been there, and they said it's sort of like the animal kingdom. We've got a little bit of things to do here at the house, and we're having our morning coffee, and then we'll be off, and we're going to a place that's only about an hour and a half to 2 hours from our house. So that's what this video is about today. It's about finding stuff around you, that's interesting. You don't have to, you can just get up and go. Ready to come inside? Well, it's 9 a.m. and we're getting ready to go. Well, we've made our first stop, and it's here for breakfast. It's 10:30, but they changed the menu to lunch right as soon as we got up there, which is totally fine with me because look at this beautiful. Well, we made it. We're here at the Riverbank Zoo. There's awesome music, bongo drums, and there's beautiful palm trees everywhere. The landscape is so cool with this entrance. It's easy to park, easy to get here, so here we go. Well, we just toured the zoo. It's spectacular. And we're getting ready to head into the botanical gardens. And there's this beautiful bridge that you walk across. And that's where we're going right now. Now we're going to tour the botanical gardens. And I will be taking some snapshots to show you. We have had a wonderful afternoon at the zoo, a wonderful drive, wonderful everything. We made it to our room, we checked in because we're getting ready to go out to eat at a restaurant that our kids recommended called California Dreamin'. Well, we made it to California Dreamin'. This place is awesome. It's just so beautiful. It's like it's an old train station or something. Wait to go inside. Established in 1902, and it's about trains, so it is a really cool interior. And our food has arrived. I've got a tuna poke bowl. Ooh, this thing looks awesome. After the best dinner in the world, we had to have the best dessert in the world, and we found a place that made beignets, but they didn't have coffee. gotta have coffee with beignet. So we were driving home and we thought, well, let's just take it to go. We were driving back to the hotel and then we saw this coffee shop. So now we got a cappuccino and we got our beignets and we're eating the beignets from one restaurant while we're at the cappuccino. Bananas Foster beignets while we're having our cappuccino from another restaurant, and it's working out good. Well, we were up and about at our hotel, and we're down here for a complimentary breakfast. I'm eating Frosted Flakes. I just haven't had Frosted Flakes in years, and this is so good right now. And we get ready to head out for a wonderful afternoon in Columbia. We have made it to Saluda Shoals Park. It's really close to the place that we stayed last night. This place is awesome. You can ride bikes here. There's a dog park. There's water, a river you can fish in. And it's really, really beautiful. I found my 4-leaf clover for the day. And we're down here by the water. And you're not going to believe this. It's a cooler day today, but it is about 10 degrees cooler, and it's this real cool breeze just coming off this water. It is so peaceful. This has been so phenomenal. The rain just started. There's a storm coming in, and you hear thunder, but it just got dark like this in a matter of a minute. So it's really ominous right at the moment. And the rain is starting. Like it's getting faster and faster. Oh, a snake just fell in the water over there.
Ready?
Yeah. So we turned into a huge thunderstorm. So we're just enjoying it because it's a lot of fun actually. And decided to run over to this pavilion. It's cold. It was 92 degrees yesterday, or actually 97, and today I think it's 40. It's freezing. Oh. This is Lake Murray Public Park, and we're not going to spend any time out by the water because it's cold and rainy. And look at this. You'd think we were at the ocean, but this is a lake, and the waves are really high right now. It's beautiful. I can tell when it's a sunny day, I can really enjoy this location. I'm enjoying it with the rain. It's sort of different. Well, we made it home. It was a 2-hour drive. Well worth the trip. It was wonderful, beautiful time. Well, we forgot one thing. We stopped at Carowinds and we toured the water park. So awesome. They got a new little section. It's going to be a lot of fun this year. We also got our dinner for tonight. Our tempura shrimp with some potato salad. I got macaroni and cheese, and we brought it home, and this is going to be our dinner. Yay. Now, I'm wondering who's going to be happy to see us home. See who's behind this door. Well, this wraps up our little weekend getaway. It was one night, but I feel like we've been gone for a week. We have did so much stuff. I've had so much fun, and I needed this little getaway. It just gave me time to refresh and get ready for tomorrow. Have a blessed day, and until next video.